Yeah, look, with respect to, I suppose, what thematics we expect at Saturn, or I expect to develop in the resources sector during 2021, I think for me, it's genuine new greenfields discoveries. I mean, we've seen a tremendous amount of money raised in the stock market over the last year, particularly. We've seen an excellent response to new results, and I think you're going to see some, genuine hardworking explorers, particularly among the juniors, out there drilling some holes into things that have really been waiting for a test. And hopefully that applies to ourselves as well in 2021, and perhaps we might see a kind of resurgence across that space. Outside of our company's portfolio, commodities, or my kind of commodity pick or tip, I think nickel's probably eventually going to have its day, and I think anyone who's well positioned within nickel stocks, particularly the kind of resurgent new nickel sulfide stocks, is going to be there very well. I mean, obviously at the moment we've got on the more sort of exotic metals and things, there's a bit of resurgence, but I think the key theme is security. Anything where we need to see a security of supply, with, I suppose, difficult global times, be it from a sort of COVID perspective, or a different geopolitical environment moving forward in the next year. I really think anything that is involved in the manufacturing of electronic goods, or anything where there's a security need, has to see a resurgence in demand and stockpiling. I suppose being asked on what it means to be the managing director of a natural resource company in 2021, for me, it's about, I suppose we've seen a definite shift in, or any company at any point sees a shift in its shareholder base, who are its most important stakeholders. And I suppose in recent times we've seen a lot more activity from interest groups in the market. Perhaps investing is a lot more accessible, and information on investing is a lot more accessible to a larger number of people. And for me, it's about reaching those different groups and trying to broaden and maximise your or segments of your shareholder base. Thank you for the questions.